For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a milk dairy business can be a profitable and sustainable venture when approached strategically. With advances in free artificial intelligence tools, entrepreneurs can significantly reduce startup costs, streamline operations, and make better-informed decisions. From writing your business plan to managing supply chains and marketing, AI can be your virtual assistant throughout. This step-by-step guide shows how to launch a successful milk dairy business using free AI tools and smart prompts to get things done efficiently. Step 1. Conduct market research using AI. Before investing time or money, you must understand the market demand, competition, customer segments, and pricing strategies. Free AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends can assist in this phase. ChatGPT can summarize competitor strategies, generate customer personas, and identify niche markets based on prompts. Use this prompt in ChatGPT. Act as a business analyst. Give me a market research summary for a small-scale milk dairy business in your location, including customer demand, competition, and trends. Also use Google Trends to identify which dairy products are most searched in your region. Search terms like fresh milk, organic dairy, or local farm milk to spot customer interest. Step 2. Create a business plan with ChatGPT. A well-written business plan is essential for clarity, funding, and execution. ChatGPT can generate a tailored plan with financials, operations, and goals included. You'll want to input your preferred scale, location, and budget. Use this prompt. Write a detailed business plan for a small-scale milk dairy business that includes an executive summary, company description, market analysis, organization structure, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections. You can refine the output section by section by asking ChatGPT follow-up questions such as, add a SWOT analysis to the business plan above. Step 3. Choose your business model and products. Decide whether you'll focus on raw milk, pasteurized milk, yogurt, cheese, or value-added products. ChatGPT can help evaluate profitability and logistics for each option. Use it to simulate what-if scenarios for your choices. Try this prompt. Compare the profitability, startup cost, and logistics of producing and selling raw milk versus yogurt versus cheese for a local dairy business. Once you settle on your product mix, use Notion AI or Google Sheets with AI integrations to track the items, costs, and expected margins in one centralized place. Step 4. Find a location and set up the facility. Choosing the right location for your dairy, whether small farm, lease space, or home-based setup, is key. Use AI mapping tools like Google Earth and search-based queries to evaluate distance from markets and suppliers. ChatGPT can also guide you on layout planning. Prompt. Act as a dairy consultant. Help me design the layout for a small-scale dairy farm setup with 10 cows, milking area, chilling unit, and packaging station. You can also ask, what are the space and licensing requirements to open a milk dairy business in your location? Step 5. Source equipment and livestock using AI directories. Use AI-powered sourcing tools like Google Lens, image-based search, ChatGPT, or even U.com AI to locate affordable suppliers of dairy equipment and livestock. If you're on a limited budget, ask ChatGPT for second-hand equipment strategies. Prompt. Give me a list of essential equipment to start a small milk dairy business, with average prices and best sourcing options in your country. Ask for breeds too. What are the most productive dairy cow breeds suitable for hot climates? Step 6. Build a daily operations plan using ChatGPT. Operations include feeding, milking schedules, hygiene, packaging, and logistics. Let ChatGPT create a daily task schedule, SOPs, standard operating procedures, and checklists to keep things organized. Prompt. Create a daily and weekly operations checklist for a small dairy farm with 10 cows, including tasks for milking, feeding, cleaning, maintenance, and delivery. You can also use Google Sheets with AI extensions to automate scheduling and inventory management. Step 7. Ensure legal compliance and licensing. Different countries have varying legal requirements for milk businesses, including food safety, business registration, and animal health. ChatGPT can give you a compliance checklist to work from. Prompt: list all the licenses, permits, and health regulations required to operate a milk dairy business in your location. Include animal welfare and food safety standards. You can follow this up with, how do I register a food production business in country/state? Step 8. Brand your business with free AI tools. Develop a business name, logo, tagline, and brand message using AI creativity tools. ChatGPT can help with naming, while tools like Loca, Freemium, Canva, Freeplan, or Adobe Express can help you design logos. Prompt: generate 10 unique and catchy business name ideas for a fresh milk dairy brand that emphasizes organic and local values. Then use this. Write a brand slogan and a 100-word brand story for the selected name above. Upload your ideas into Canva and start building brand visuals even if you don't have design experience. Step 9. Launch a marketing strategy with AI. Marketing is critical, especially in the early days. You can use ChatGPT to create a multi-platform marketing plan, including social media, local outreach, farmer markets, and online delivery apps. Prompt: write a full marketing plan for a small dairy business targeting urban customers in your location, with ideas for social media, local advertising, and community events. Use ChatGPT to also create content. Write 10 Instagram captions promoting fresh, local milk. Include hashtags, or draft a flyer text for a new dairy farm launch. You can schedule posts using free tools like Buffer or Later on free plans, and analyze your engagement using Meta Business Suite or Google Analytics. Conclusion: starting a milk dairy business has never been more accessible thanks to the wide range of free AI tools available today. By using AI for planning, research, branding, marketing, and operations, you could dramatically cut down on startup costs while improving your decision-making. With careful attention to quality, hygiene, and customer engagement, your dairy business can build a loyal local customer base and scale steadily. Remember, AI is not just a tool. It's a partner that helps you act smarter, faster, and more efficiently in every stage of your business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.